places slow your heartbeat before you reach the door. Towering trees, quiet mornings keep you coming back for more. Three welcoming living spaces ready for whatever comes